How do you do? Show me your smiley face. Oh wow, you today, Adesari, you're making such a nice hairstyle. Can you show me? Wow, you're wearing a pins. Show me. I love your shiny pins. Are they green in color or pink? Adyasari is going to answer me. Yes, Adyasari? Adyasari. Yes, it's green and it's green and जी बोले अदियासरी इस वक्त ऑनलाइन है मैं मीटिंग में हूँ मैंने नहीं मैंने नया लेके मेल किया है सबको हाँ मैंने सबको किया है मेल अब आप नहीं है उसमें तो मैं क्या करूँ ओके Adyasari. Look, I'm showing you smiley face. Can you show me your smiley face? Wow, very good. Adyasari, can you please wait, my dear? This is your waiting time. Can you please wait? Okay, Adyasari, can you please sing a rhyme for me? Two. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good. Well done. I don't know. Okay, Adyasari, let's do another rhyme. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wiper on the bus goes swish, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus said ticket. The babies on the bus go wah 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah 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 all through the town. The mummy on the bus say shh 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 shh. The mummies on the bus say shh shh shh. All through the town, the people on the bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus goes up and down, all through the town. The conductor on the bus said, ticket please, ticket please, ticket please. The conductor on the bus said, ticket please, all through the town. The driver on the bus said, the horn on the bus say beep 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 beep. The horn on the bus say beep 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus goes open and shut all through the town. Very good, Adyasari. You are doing so well. Well done. Okay, now this is tell me how many. Let's go do. Let's do the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, how do you do? Good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, how do you do? Good morning, Ryan. Welcome to the class. Good morning to you. Good morning, how do you do? How do you do? I am fine, thank you. How do you do? I'm fine, thank you. My name is Teacher Fahi. Hello, Yadvi. My name is Teacher Fahi. What about you? Yes, Satya Sari. What's your name? Oh, wow. Your name is Ryan. Very good. What about you, Adhyasari? Say, my name is Adhyasari. So we all will clap for you. Okay, Yadvi, your turn. Say, my name is Yadvi. What is your name? Yadvi. Very good. Good morning to you. Good morning. How do you do? How do you do? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, how many days in a week? 7 days. How many days in a week? 7 days. Sunday there is Monday. Tuesday there is Friday. Sunday there is Monday. Tuesday there is Wednesday. Thursday there is Friday. There's Saturday. Days of the week. 7 days of the week. How many days in a week? 7 days. How many months in a year? 12 months. How many months in a year? 12 months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. How many months? 12 months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. 12 months in a year. Well done. Okay. Time to meet the Mr. A. Yay! But first teacher is going to show you something. Let's do some phonics. And from around the causing alarm. Okay, all of you, you have to do the actions, okay? Just follow me. Go, go, go. We are shaking the notes. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Do the actions, okay? Drum is the lot of. They are done. No, this is not stop. G, 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 g. Ha, ha. E, e. J, 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 j. Water, I, j, 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 j. The sky, c, c, c. Birds are flying in the sky, c, c, c. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, lick the lollipops, lick the lollipops, lick the lollipops. Ooh. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane making lots of noise. Oh, oh, oh. Time for bed, let's go off. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, oh. Ah, husband, around the pink, pink cake. Pink, puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candle on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Mm, mm. See my paprika when he pulls so hard. Mm. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Tuh. When I was a tennis game, when I was a tennis game, something goes back and forth. Up, 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 up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella when it starts to rain. Up, up. It's time to it's time. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. Whoa, whoa. X. Accidental. Accidental. Second exit. Second exit. Second exit. My exit on my head. My exit now done. Yogurt and banana. We would like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. I was a beaver. Did you ever a beaver? This like this. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Now it's time for acids. It's time for acids. Waiting time. Right now, this is your waiting time. Let the slide open. Okay, who is going to tell me? Who is he? Who is it? Ah. What is the sound of this letter? Ah. What is the sound of this letter? Ah. Repeat after me. Ah. Ah. Very good. Then what is the sound of this letter? Ah. Look, what is it? A ant. A ant. What is the beginning sound of ant? A. A ant. What's that? What's that? Very good. A arrow. Let's move to the next slide. Yes, yes, yes. What's that? A aeroplane. This is aeroplane. A aeroplane. A apple. This is a apple. What is that scary one? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. What is that? It's a alligator. What's that? A abacus. Okay, who's going to tell me which part of body is this? A ankle. Ankle. A ankle. Very good. Great job. Well done. Okay. Now we will do the action. Okay, all of you, I want you to do the action with me. What is the action of a, a, hands on my arms, hands on my arms, hands on my arms, they're causing me alarm. Yes, Yadvi, Adhyasari, hands on my arms, hands on my arms, hands on my arms, they're causing me alarm. Look, Yadvi, how teacher is sitting. You have to sit like this. Everybody, look, Adhyasari is sitting very nicely. Yadvi is also going to sit very nicely because Yadvi is a very good girl. She always. Oh, Ryan is also sitting so nicely. Very good, Ryan. What are you drinking right now? Would you like to share it with us? Look, I'm drinking water from my bottle. Can you show me what are you drinking? Yeah, I'm drinking. Wow, Jasari is also drinking water. Ryan, wow, you're showing me your blue block? Blue? They are so nice. Very good, Ryan. Blue. Okay, now let's. Okay, let's do some rhyme. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. A tall giraffe is washing his clothes. A tall giraffe is washing his clothes. A wabba dabba here, a wabba dabba there. Here, there, let's do the boogie boogie. That's the way he washing his clothes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. A chubby, chubby koala is washing his clothes. A chubby, chubby koala is washing his clothes. A wabba dabba here, a wabba dabba there, here, there. Let's do the boogie boogie. That's the way he washing his clothes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. A scary, scary dog is washing his clothes. A scary, scary dog is washing his clothes. A wabba dabba here, a wabba dabba there. Here, there, let's do the boogie boogie. That's the way he washing his clothes. Down to the jungle, nobody goes. Very good, well done, Adhyasari. You're doing excellent with teacher. Well done. Okay, Adhyasari, and I want you to sing a rhyme for me. Can you please sing a rhyme for me, Adhyasari? After Adhyasari, Ryan is going to sing a rhyme. Very good, well done. Well done. Well done, very good. Okay, Ryan, now your turn. Can you please sing a rhyme for us? Yes, Ryan, can you please sing a rhyme for us? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Look. Oh, no, look. What teacher is going to show you? Oh, oh, oh. I'm surprised. Oh, oh. Look what I have for you. Teacher is going to show you something. Look what this kid is doing. Can you guys see? Look what he is doing. What he has in front of him. Do you know? Do you know? Does anyone know? What is in front of that boy? Drums. What he's doing? He's playing the drum. Oh my God! Look, he's playing the drums. Wow, he's playing it so well. What he's doing? Look, he's holding two sticks. And what he's holding in his hands? He's holding drumsticks. These are called drumsticks. Okay? What he's doing right now is playing drums. He's he's playing drums. Okay? But we also have to. Okay, guys. Okay, now you can see what he's doing. What that boy is doing. What he's doing. What is in front of this boy? Drums. And what he is holding in his hands? He is playing drum. And what is he holding? He is holding drumsticks. He's holding drumsticks in his hand. And right now he's playing drums. Drums. You know, but we don't have the drums. Adya, sorry. So, and Ryan, Yadvi, we don't have drums. So, what we will do? We will make our own drum. Yes, children, this is your activity time. Today we are going to make our own drums. Go and get the pot and your drumsticks, your wooden spoons. Quickly, quickly, get your pot or tin or whatever is available with you. A cardboard, a tin. Okay, very good, Adya. Where are your wooden spoons? You can also use the sticks, wooden sticks. And if you don't have the wooden spoons, you can use a steel spoon instead of the wooden spoon. Yes, yes. Okay, everybody, show me your pot. This is my pot. This is mine. I have an empty pot. This is an empty pot. Now put it upside down like this. Put the pot upside down. Very good. Now show me your drumsticks. Hold your drumsticks in your hand. Okay. One, two. Now hit the drum. Hit the pot with the stick. One, two, one, two. We are going to hit first 10 times. Okay? First we are going to hit the pot 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Stop. Ryan, you have to put the pot upside down. Very good. And hit it with a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this time we are going to hit the pot 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Play the drum. All of you play the drum. Very good, Adhyasari. You're doing so well. Ryan, well done. Play the drum. Very good. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a rhythm now. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. With one stick. First, you are going to hit with one stick. One. Then with the other stick. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Adya sir. 1. Yes, Ryan. Yes, well done. You are doing so well. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we are going to beat the drum very fast. Fast, fast. Stop. No slow. Stop. Okay, no. Again we are going to beat it very fast. Stop. You know when we we beat it fast, the sound is very loud. And when we beat it slowly, 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 the sound is slow. And when we beat the fast, the sound is loud. Very good. Well done, all of you. Great job, excellent job. And a star for Adhyasari. And a silver star for Ryan. Ryan, look at the screen. Look, I have a silver star for you. This star is for Ryan. And for Adhyasari. For making such a nice drum. Well done. Very good. Now it's counting time. Let's count till 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are your numbers 1 to 30. There are your numbers 1 to 30. 1, 2. Count, all of you, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Two tenths, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, Adhyasari? Very good. Okay, Adhyasari, right now you are muted. And Ryan, you also. All of you need to unmute yourself. Adhyasari and Ryan, please unmute yourself. Okay, right now this is your academic activity. All of you, please get your stations ready. Get your stations ready. This is your academic activity time. Today we are going to put quickly. Activity time. This is your academic activity time. Get your stations ready. In today, what we are going to do? We are going to make Mr. Air with the help of stickers. This is my Mr. Air. For that activity, you need one A4 paper on which you have to draw big, large and some stickers or dots of glitter sheet. Okay, look, this is my Mr. Air. All of you, can you please show me your Mr. Air? Yes, Adhyasari, show me your Mr. Air. Yes, Ryan, you also show me your Mr. Air. If you don't have that dots, glitter sheet dots, you can use stickers, stars or hearts or anything, any type of stickers. But they should be small in size, okay? Yes, very good. Well done. Very good, Raya. Now I'm going to show it to you what you have to do. Okay. Look what teacher have. This is teachers. This is my Mr. A. And I have some stickers over here. Silver dots. I have some silver dots in the bowl. So first I'm going to pick a sticker with the help of my index finger and thumb. And I'm going to peel it like this. You also have to peel the sticker. Now we are going to fix it. Now we will fix it on Mr. A. We start from the corner, okay? From the upper side, from the top, and then we will go down. First we make a nice curve, okay? We start pasting the stickers from one corner, from the top corner. One by one we are going to paste it on the line, okay? You have to follow the line. Don't get off the line. Exact on the line you have to put it. First we are going to make a nice curve. Curve. A nice curve. And then we go up and come down and make a tail. Look at the screen. Look how teacher is doing. One by one, teacher is peeling the sticker and pasting it on Mr. A. What we are making right now? We are making Mr. A. Soon the Mr. A will be shiny. So first we make a nice curve. One by one, slowly. You just have to follow the line. Now we go up. Now our curve is complete. First we make a curve, then we go up. Wow, the Mr. A is shiny, Mr. A now. He's looking so shiny and bright. Glittery Mr. A. Well done, very good. Now we are going to paste some stickers on the tail. So make a curve, go up, come down and make a tail. Oh, Mr. A is complete. My Mr. A is complete. And look, it looks so shiny and glittery. Wow. Yes, Adhyasari, can you please show me your Mr. A? How he's looking? And Ryan, you also. If you don't have stickers, you can only make the dots of A4 sheet and paste it. Put some glue on that dots and paste it on Mr. Rat. Adhyasari, my dear, you have to do it by yourself, Adhyasari. Okay? Okay, what about you, Ryan? Can you show me your Mr. Rat, please? Yes, Ryan. Where is your Mr. Man? Wow, very nice, Ryan. Well done. Your Mr. A is blue. Is it blue? But blue. You're making such a nice Mr. A, Ryan. Very good. Ryan is a big boy. He's doing his activity by his own. That's very good, Ryan. You can paste some more dots on it. Ryan, good boy. Good boy. Okay, very good, Ryan. Okay, we are waiting for Adhyasari. Let Adhyasari complete her work. Then she will show us. Very good, Ryan. Well done. You're doing so well. Apply the glue and paste it on Mr. Rag. Good boy. A star for you, Ryan. A silver star for you for doing so well. Very good. Yes, Adhyasari. Very good, Adhyasari. You are doing so well, dear. Complete it quickly and then show it to me. We all are waiting for you. Yes, yes, show it to me. Very good. Good job, Adhyasari. Good girl. You are my big girl. Show it to me. Hold it in your hand. Wow, very nice. Well done, Adhyasari. Your Mr. Eyes, what is the color of your Mr. Eye? Very good, yellow. Your Mr. Eye is yellow. Very good, well done. A star for you, Adhyasari. Look at the screen. The star is for you. Oh, now show me your smiley face. Ryan and Adhyasari, show me your smiley face. Show me your smiley face. Look, this is my smiley face. Happy face. Happy face. Ryan, show me your happy face. Happy face. Very good. Oh, this is your sad face, Ryan. You're showing me your sad face. What is this? Okay, it's okay. Okay, the class time is over. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye, my dear children. Bye. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Bye bye, Ryan. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye bye.